dear students, welcome to all. Today, this video, we are going to talk about how to use commas. Okay, in already you learn your previous classes when you read in 5th standard. You know the place value system, Indian place value system. As per Indian place value system, when you write a large number or big numbers, how to give comma, means commas or periods. We can say as a periods. When we write a big number or large number, you might have to give comma. It's a good practice. As per mathematical students, when you write a big number, you have to give periods as per the Indian place value system. So I will remember the Indian place value chart. You already learned. Once again, I will remember you what is the place value, what are the place value of Indian number system. Then this year, you one more time you will revise the Indian place value system. The number system, there are two types are there. One is Indian, another one is international place value system. So we are Indians, so we want to learn Indian number system. So we will take more practice. So it's help you to, when you write a large number, you can easily give comma. So comma means we can say as a period. Okay. So first of all, I will draw the Indian place value chart. Then you can understand the Indian. You can remember the Indian place value. Okay. First of all, I will draw the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100. So after that, after 100 place, these three digits we can say as a ones place. These 3 digits we can say as a ones period, means we have to put one comma. It's a ones place. Okay. So we have to put comma. After 3 digits, ones, tens, 100, we have to put one comma, means one period. Okay. Then 1000, 10,000 is 1000 period. These both are 1000 period, means we have to put comma. Then lakh, 10 lakh. These are lakhs place, lakhs period. Then crore, 10 crore. This is crore period. So let me see some example numbers how to put period or comma. So this is the Indian place value chart. Ones, tens, 100. We have to put one comma. That comma is a ones period, ones comma or period. Okay. Then 1000, 10,000. We have to put one more comma. That place is called 1000 place. Okay. Then lakh, 10 lakh is a lakhs place. Then crore, 10 crore is a crore place. Let me take some example numbers. How to give comma. Let me see. First I will take 4-digit number. Okay. It's a 5-digit number. First I will take 5-digit number. Okay. So you know how to count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 5-digit number. If you have a 5-digit number, how to give comma, how to put commas. As per the Indian place value, I told you you have to give period after 100 place, means ones, tens, 100. These three digits are we called as a ones period, means you have to put 1 comma. So ones, tens, 100. After 100 you have to put 1 comma. Then after that second comma, where to give second comma? 1000, 10,000. After we have to put second comma. But here 1000, 10,000. After that there is no number. So we no need to give comma, second comma. Only 1 comma. It's enough. Okay. Let's take another example. Another number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If you look at it, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total number of digits 6. So now we will give comma as per Indian system. As per Indian system, I told you the first period comes after 100 place. Okay, na? So ones, tens, 100. After that, you have to give 1 comma, 1 period. Okay. Next, the second period 1000, 10,000. You have to give second period 1000, 10,000. So second period. After that, lakh, 10 lakh. But here lakhs only 1 digit is there, 10 lakhs digit not there. So no need to give comma. So just leave it. So I give 2 periods. It's a 6. Okay. We discuss how to give comma for 6 digit number. Let me talk 7 digit number. If you have a 7 digit number, how to put comma? Let me take example. If you look at it has 7 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit number. So if you have 7 digit number, how to put comma or period as per Indian system? So I told you as per this is the Indian place value chart. How to give periods chart. This is a place value. This is a period chart. So this is a place value 0, so ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. It's a place value. This is the periods. After 3 digit, we have to put 1 period. We call as a ones period. It's a 1000 period. It's a lakh period. It's a crore period. Means comma. Okay. So now we are talking about examples. If you are writing a big number or large number, how to give commas. Just we are taking practice. Okay. So as per the Indian place value, I told you ones period after 3 digit. So ones, tens, 100. So 3 digit after 3 digit. As per Indian place value, we have to do ones period. Then 1000 period after 2 digit. 1000, 10,000. You have to give second period. Then lakh, 10 lakh. It's a lakhs period, 10 lakh periods. After that, if we have any number, we have to put third period, but we don't have any number, so no need. So this is a 7 digit number. I give 2 periods. Let me take another 8 digit number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can write any number. Just I am taking example. It's a 8 digit number. If you have 8 digit number, how to put comma or period as per the Indian system? So again I tell you, repeatedly I am telling, as per the Indian place value, first ones period after the 3 digit. So ones, tens, 100. So 3 digit after we have to put ones period. Then after 1000 period, 1000, 10,000, second period. Then lakhs period, lakh, 10 lakh. After that we have crore. So this is a lakhs period, lakh, 10 lakh. This is a third period. So in this number we put 3 commas. means 3 periods. So it's a 8-digit number. Okay. So let it take another example as 9-digit number. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a 9-digit number. If you have any 9-digit number, when you are writing a 9-digit number, how to give comma as per the Indian place value system. Look carefully. So I told you first 3 digit we have to put first period. Okay. Then after the second 1000, 10,000 place we have to put second period. Then lakhs period, lakhs 10 lakhs we have to do third period. After that crore 10 crore. But after that there is no any number. So here no need to be any period, means comma. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is the way you can use commas when you are writing large numbers. I hope you understand, students.